Hi friends, today we're making a Malaysian favorite, spicy, rich and flavorful rendang. There are many styles of rendang in Malaysia and today we'll be making my version using young jackfruit and enoki mushrooms. Let's get into it. First, let's make our kerisik, which is a paste made from caramelized shredded coconut. To a preheated wok, add 2 cups of fresh shredded coconut and toast over medium heat until dark brown and toasty. You can use store-bought kerisik if you want, but it's so easy to make and it tastes so much better fresh. Once the coconut has cooled a little bit, we can turn it into a smooth paste. Traditionally, this is done in a mortar and pestle, but it can get messy. Next, let's prepare our blended ingredients. First, we're going to soak 10 dried chilies in hot water. Set these aside for later. Roughly chop 5 red onions, 1 whole bulb of garlic, 2 inches each of ginger, galangal and fresh turmeric, 4 stalks of lemongrass, and 10 red chilies. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Before we blend, we're going to saute these ingredients with a bit of oil to intensify the flavors. This also lends a deeper caramelized note to the rendang. Keep cooking until the onions have softened and everything is lightly browned. Then let everything cool slightly. To a blender, add the sauteed ingredients and the soaked chilies we set aside earlier. Add enough of the soaking liquid to make a smooth paste. For the full written recipe, you can also visit my website at thekampungvegan.com. For our jackfruit, we're using 3 cans of young jackfruit from Nature's Charm. Drain the jackfruit and squeeze in a clean tea towel to remove as much water as possible. This gives the jackfruit a very tender, chickeny sort of texture. You can use fresh young jackfruit as well, but they may be harder to come by and require some prep. For some extra bite, we are using 6 packets of enoki mushrooms. I like to use these mushrooms because they have a mild flavor. Mushrooms like monkey head or oyster are stronger and can sometimes overpower the taste of the rendang. Okay, jom masak. First, let's brown off the enoki. To a hot wok, add 3 tablespoons of oil and fry the mushrooms until they start to brown. This will take about 5 minutes. Once they're done, let's go in with our rendang paste and then our kaffir lime leaves. Let's cook this until the water evaporates and is dry. Oh, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Malay recipes veganized. I upload new videos every week. Once the mixture is dry, we can add a bit of water in. If you prefer a drier style rendang, you can add less water and adjust according to your liking. Okay, now we can add our kerisik, mushroom seasoning and salt. Stir till it's nicely combined. Add the jackfruit. Stir through and let cook until the jackfruit is tender and falls apart. Then we can add our coconut cream. Stir through to incorporate. Let everything return to a gentle simmer. In the meantime, let's get our fresh turmeric leaf. We're going to roll it up like this and finely slice. Sprinkle generously on top of our rendang. Stir through and we're done. Let's plate it up. For an easy meal, serve with white rice. Or if you're feeling festive, why not have some ketupat? Because they're just too good to eat only once a year. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. For more recipes, check out these suggestions and I'll see you all in the next video.